Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can create TrollFace effect in VN video editor. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a project in my VN video editor application. And first of all, I'm going to add TrollFace image to this video. I'm going to click on the section to create a layer and I'm going to choose video or photo. Okay, and I'm going to add the TrollFace to my video. I have downloaded the TrollFace image from the internet. So before you edit your video, make sure you have downloaded this kind of image from the internet. You can choose the type of the TrollFace you want to use and then download it and add it to your project. Okay, and I'm going to blend this TrollFace to my video. We can go to the blending menu and choose the best blending mode for your video. I'm just going to choose this one and I'm going to click on this check mark and I'm going to place this TrollFace to the man's face. Okay, and I'm going to make it align with my video and then I'm going to make the TrollFace kind of follow the moving object, the moving face. So I'm going to use keyframe. This is the keyframe feature we can use. And I'm just going to tap on the keyframe and adjust it one by one until it's fully covered with this TrollFace effect. Okay, you can keep adjusting until the rest of your video. Okay, just like that. Alright, and now it's done guys, and I'm going to show you the final result. Alright guys, and that's all the way to create TrollFace effect in a VN video editor. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.